Hello, so today I'm going to talk about how to create a text mask in Canva or fill text with images using Canva. Sometimes we see that the alphabets have inbuilt pictures inside them and you might wonder how to do it, so I'm going to show it how you can do that using Canva. So let's get into it.
Zombie apocalypse.
Let's go to Google.com. As you can see, I have already taken letters late and I'm going to animate them or fill them with pictures. So let me see how you can turn on these options. So first you just have to go to the elements section, click elements and write any letter you want. Like if you want the letter C, you write here letter C frame. It's a letter C frame and press enter. You can see the letter C option is there and you can use this option for any alphabets. If you want letter L, so you just write letter L frame and this option comes. So these are the only alphabets you can fill pictures in. Fill pictures with images in Canva, so be aware of this one. So I'm going to fill pictures inside them. So go to pictures and I'm going to choose this one. Just drag and drop into the letter. As you can see, the L is filled with the flag and you can do it for any. When you see that I have done for A, now I'm going to do it for T. So hope you're getting how you can do it. Just drag and drop inside the alphabet and you can see that the alphabets are filled with the images. So if you want to delete the image, you just delete image and it's deleted. You can do lots of crazy stuff using these options. Let's see. You can also fill them with glitters. Just go to the option elements and search glitters. And see the option glitters, and now I'm going to just do photos and such glitters. So I'm just going to fill them with this glitter. As you can see, this is looking fabulous. Just drag and drop inside the alphabet. So you can do a lot of crazy stuff. And now if you want the background to be changed, click background and so you can see the letters inside them filled with glitter. So you can do lots of fancy stuff using Canva. So I hope this was really helpful video for you guys to learn how you can create a text mask in Canva, fill out them with images in a very short time. Suggest me some videos you want to learn or you don't know how to do. So for keeping up to date and learning new features with Canva, you need to subscribe to the channel, and I will giving you the videos for free and providing you with great content. So thank you for today and suggest me some videos that I can do for you. Thank you.